If you had to allocate the capital into one Tokyo neighborhood for the next 20 years, would you automatically choose Minato? Most foreign investors do. But the most sophisticated buyers in Tokyo aren't chasing headlines. They are positioning themselves in places with structural scarcity, enduring prestige, and downside protection. Today, I'm taking you to Nakameguro, a prime residential pocket that quietly outperforms. This isn't about yield chasing. This is about long-term capital preservation in Tokyo. Nakameguro sits in Meguro World, just minutes from Shibuya, Ebisu, and Roppongi. 2 stops to Shibuya. Direct access to the Hibiya line, 15 minutes to Central Business District. It offers central connectivity without central congestion. Unlike highly commercial zones, Nakameguro remains fundamentally residential. That distinction matters because residential stability drives long-duration value. Meguro River defines this neighborhood. In spring, it becomes one of Tokyo's most iconic cherry blossom corridors. But this is not merely aesthetic value. River-adjacent properties here command a structural premium, often 10 to 20% above surrounding streets. Why? Because supply is permanently constrained. Height restrictions limit redevelopment. Large-scale towers are rare. Low-rise luxury residences dominate. Scarcity is engineered into the zoning, and scarcity protects capital. This is Fujiya, a popular restaurant specializing in Genghis Khan, a lamb barbecue that originated in Hokkaido. Nakameguro is also home to one of Japan's most unique barbecue traditions. I take red wine for lamb. While vegetables cooked around the edges, lamb is grilled over dome-shaped iron plates, creating an incredibly rich, smoky flavor. It's lively, interactive, and very local. Restaurants like this show another side of Tokyo's food culture. Nakameguro attracts senior executives, creative industry leaders, foreign professionals in finance and tech, Japanese high net worth families. This is not a speculative rental district. It is an end-user-driven micro-market. And end-user demand stabilizes pricing during downturns. In volatile cycles, lifestyle districts outperform pure investment-driven ones. As of 2026, resale condominiums trade roughly between 1.2 million Japanese yen to 1.8 million Japanese yen per square meter. New buildings range from 1.8 million Japanese yen to 2.5 million Japanese yen per square meter. Premium river-facing assets exceed that. Compared to Minato, pricing is slightly lower, but brand strength remains strong and supply is tighter. Importantly, small investor-grade studio units are limited. Two-bedroom and large layers dominate. This filters the buyer pool toward stability. Let's be clear. Growth is typically ranged between 3% and 4%. If your primary objective is maximizing cash flow, Nakameguro is not your target. But if your objective is wealth parking, defensive allocation, long duration hold, downside protection, then Nakameguro becomes very compelling. This is a capital preservation play. Motsuyaki Ban is a legendary local izakaya. Widely known as the birthplace of lemon sour in Japan. Lemon sour, a refreshing mix of shochu, soda, and fresh lemon. Has become one of the most popular alcoholic drinks across Japan. Atmosphere is casual and authentic, offering a true glimpse into everyday Japanese dining culture. If you want to experience a piece of Tokyo's drinking culture history, Motsuyaki Ban is a must-visit spot. High-quality one-bedroom units lease between 200,000 Japanese yen to 300,000 Japanese yen per month. High-quality two-bedroom units range from 350,000 Japanese yen to 500,000 Japanese yen. Vacancy risk remains relatively low. Why? Because tenants here choose a neighborhood for lifestyle, not for price. Lifestyle demand is sticky, and sticky demand reduces volatility. Nakameguro is also known for its refined international dining scene. This is Caldo Nakameguro, a stylish Spanish restaurant. In Tokyo, Spanish cuisine has evolved with remarkable precision. Combining seasonal Japanese ingredients with classic European techniques. Restaurants like Caldo show the more sophisticated side of everyday life in Nakameguro. No market is without risk. First, flood mapping near the Meguro River must be reviewed carefully. Second, older buildings, especially pre-1981, require structural diligence. Third, elevation matters. Hillside properties often offer better long-term resilience. Minato is global corporate luxury. Nakameguro is refined residential prestige. Minato offers trophy towers. Nakameguro offers scarcity-driven stability. Minato attracts international capital flows. Nakameguro attracts international ownership. Both are prime, but they serve different strategies. You should consider Nakameguro if you are allocating over $1 million into Tokyo, you value stability over speculation, you are planning a 10 to 20-year horizon, you may eventually use the property personally. This is not momentum investing. This is strategic positioning within Tokyo's most resilient residential assets. A founder who was deeply impressed by the food culture he experienced in China. wanted to share that experience with people in Japan. And thus, in 1970, the restaurant was established as Chugoku Hanten Kadan. The interior design concept is based on Shanghai in the 1920s and 30s. Kadan is certified by Vegetable Sommelier Association, committed to using fresh seasonal ingredients and sourcing vegetables directly from contracted farmers in Kagawa and Nagano prefectures. Furthermore, they incorporate medical cuisine, supervised by a traditional Chinese medicine advisor, allowing you to enjoy delicious and healthy dishes to make the most of seasonal ingredients. Nakameguro will not generate headlines. It will not promise explosive short-term returns. But over time, neighborhoods built on structural scarcity, lifestyle demand, and enduring prestige tend to outperform in quiet ways. If you are evaluating Tokyo not just as an opportunity, but as a long-term wealth strategy, Nakameguro deserves serious consideration. Thank you very much for watching our video and hope to see you again at next video. If you want to know more about investing in Tokyo real estate, please come contact with us or subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much once again. Sayonara. Bye bye.